Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall OneDrive shared folders step by step clearly. To begin, locate the OneDrive icon in your system tray. Right-click on the OneDrive icon to open the context menu. Select Settings from the list of options. In the Settings window, navigate to the Account tab. Here, you will see a list of the shared folders you have access to. Identify the shared folder you wish to unlink. Click on Choose Folders next to the folder list. Uncheck the box next to the shared folder you want to uninstall. Click OK to save your changes. Close the Settings window. Next, navigate to File Explorer on your computer. Locate the OneDrive folder in the left sidebar. Find the shared folder you've just unchecked. Right-click on the shared folder and select Remove or Delete. Confirm your choice if prompted. The shared folder is now unlinked and removed from your device. You have successfully uninstalled the OneDrive shared folder. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.